Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can delete your Instagram from another device. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet and then open up the Instagram app on your phone. Once the Instagram app opens up on your phone, make sure that you're logged in and then click on your profile icon on the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you click on your profile icon, you'll be guided to your profile. Now, on this page on the top right corner of your screen, you'll see the three lines. Go ahead and click on it, which will open up a menu on your phone. Now on that menu, click on the settings option, which will guide you to another page. Now what you have to do is find the security option and click on it, which will further guide you to another page. Now there are two ways which you can remove your Instagram account from other devices. So the first way is to change your password. So firstly, click on the password option, which will guide you to this page. Fill in your current password here, new password here, re-enter your new password here. This will log you this will log your Instagram account out of other devices. Now the other method is to click on this login activity option, which will guide you to another page. And on your phone you'll see a list of places and dates where your Instagram account has been logged in. Now if you click on a specific date and click on the three dots on the right side of it, it will show you this map. Now on this map, on the bottom of it, there will be the logout button. Just simply click on it and that certain device which logged into your Instagram account will be logged out. I hope this video helped you to delete your Instagram from another device. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.